Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to integrate HubSpot with Asana. This is a great way to streamline your sales and marketing processes and improve your team's productivity. So let's start. First, you'll need to have an Asana account and a HubSpot account. Once you have those set up, log into your HubSpot account, then click on this market icon at the top. Then in this menu, select App Marketplace. In this search bar, search for Asana and click on it. You simply need to install this app into HubSpot by clicking this button. Then after that, your HubSpot account will now be integrated with your Asana account. Another way of doing this integration is by using Zapier. Go to zapier.com and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one for free. Once you log in, click on this Create Zap button at top left corner. Here, first change the name of the Zap. I'll name it HubSpot with Asana. Next, search for HubSpot as your trigger app and select the trigger that you want to use. For example, you can choose New Deal. This means that every time a new deal is added to your HubSpot account, it will trigger the integration. After that, click on Continue. Here, connect your HubSpot account and click Continue. Next, select the additional properties to retrieve. Then click on Continue. After that, test your trigger to confirm that the right account is connected and that your trigger is set up correctly. Once the deal was found, click Continue to proceed. Now, let's move on to Asana. Search for Asana and select the action that you want to use. For example, you can choose Create Task. This means that every time a new deal is added to the selected list in HubSpot, Zapier will automatically create a task in Asana. After that, click on Continue. Here, you'll need to connect your Asana account to Zapier as well. Once you've connected your Asana account, Zapier will ask you to set up the action. Simply click on the fields and select the appropriate data from HubSpot. Once you're done, test the Zap to make sure it is working properly. If it is, you can now publish the Zap and turn it on. Then start automating your workflow. So that's it. If you wanted to know how to integrate HubSpot with Asana, that is the easiest way I know how. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, kindly give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much and see you on the next video.